Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Samsung Watch 5 to an Android phone. First, ensure your Android phone is running Android 8.0 or a newer version and has at least 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. Also, make sure your Samsung Watch 5 is charged to at least 30%. Then, download the Samsung Wearable app from the Google Play Store on your Android device. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection process. Once the app is installed, turn on your Samsung Watch 5 and place it close to your Android phone. Open the Samsung Wearable app on your phone and tap Start to begin the pairing process. Your phone will then search for nearby devices. When your watch appears, select it. A 6-digit code will display on both your watch and phone. Confirm these codes match to proceed with the connection. After confirming the code, you will be prompted to accept various permissions on your phone. These are essential for your watch to function correctly, allowing access to notifications and other features. Carefully review and agree to the terms and conditions. Finally, sign in to your Samsung account. This step enables important features such as backing up your watch data and restoring settings if needed, ensuring a seamless experience. With your Samsung Watch 5 now connected, it's time to personalize it. Dive into the Wearable app to explore a wide array of watch faces and customize them to your liking. You can also install additional applications directly from the Google Play Store onto your watch, expanding its capabilities. Don't forget to adjust notification settings and quick panel options for a truly personalized and convenient user experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.